Hello everyone. In this video we will learn XQuery. Now the first question is, what is XQuery? SQL is designed to query databases, right? Same way XQuery is designed to query XML data. So XQuery is a language for querying XML data. Using XQuery you can query XML data. XQuery is built on XPath expressions, means XQuery uses XPath expressions to query XML document. XQuery is supported by all major databases and it is W3C recommendation. XQuery is about querying XML, means XQuery is a language for finding and extracting elements and attributes from XML documents. Okay, it is a language for finding and extracting elements and attributes from XML documents. Suppose there is one XML document named cdcatalog.xml which contains a CD collection and CD collection as a root element and CD collection element have several CD elements as a child elements. Suppose you want to select all CD records with a price less than $10 from the CD collection stored in cdcatalog.xml. Then result for this query can be retrieved using XQuery. Now where XQuery can be used? It can be used to extract information, to use it in a web service. Okay, you can extract information from XML data and use it in a XML document and use it in a web service. It can be used to generate summary reports. You can generate summary reports using XQuery. It can also be used to transform XML data to XHTML. Okay, using XQuery you can transform your XML data to XHTML. Same way this can be performed, this XML data can be transformed to XHTML using XSLT also. Now it can also be used to search web documents for relevant information. Okay, you can retrieve anything from XML data. Now let's see example of basic XQuery. We will use this document in all examples, this books.xml. Okay, call this document as books.xml. There is one root element, bookstore. Okay, and in bookstore there are several book elements. Okay, each book element has child elements like title, author, year and price. Now how to select nodes from this books.xml file? Okay, there are for that we have three options. You can use functions, path expressions and predicates. Okay, for selecting nodes, functions, path expressions and predicates are used. Let's first see functions. Okay, XQuery uses functions to extract data from XML documents. Okay, see this example doc and in brackets there is file name books.xml in quotation marks. This document function is used to open books.xml file here. You can pass file name as argument to the function doc, so it will open the file given in the argument. Okay, this way you can open the file using doc function. Next is path expression. XQuery uses path expressions to navigate through elements in an XML document. See this example. This path expression is used to select all the title elements in books.xml file. Okay, it will select all title elements in books.xml file. Then okay, here the result is shown here. As you can see, the title elements from this file are retrieved here. Okay, see all the title elements. The result is a list of all title elements. Okay, here doc function will open the books.xml file. Then this particular path /bookstore will select bookstore root element. Then this part /book will select all the book elements in bookstore element. Then lastly /title element will select all title elements in each book element. So this XQuery will extract following result. Okay, all the title elements. Next is predicates. XQuery uses predicates to limit the extracted data from XML documents. You can specify some condition or criteria to limit the extracted data. See this example. Doc, here predicate is used to select all the book elements under bookstore element that have price element with a value less than 30. Okay, it will select all the book elements in bookstore having price value less than 30. So as you can see, check this price, it is less than 30, so it is retrieved. Okay, this way you can use predicate in XQuery. Now, what is flower expression? Flower is an acronym for, let, where, order by and return. Okay, for selects sequence of nodes. Okay, it will it will select a sequence of nodes. Let, this let binds a sequence to variable. Same as for each loop in Java, where for selects sequence of objects one by one and binds each object to some variable. So you can use it in the for loop. Same way for and let works, where filters the nodes by using some predicate. Okay, this where will filter the nodes based on some predicate. Order by sorts the nodes either in ascending order or descending order. And return, this return specify what to return. It gets evaluated once for every node in the sequence. Okay, it specifies what to return. Now consider the same books.xml document for understanding flower expression. Okay, see consider this document. Now how to select nodes from books.xml with flower expressions. We have seen how to extract nodes from XML document using functions, path expressions and predicates. Now we will see how to select nodes from books.xml with flower expression. Okay, look at this path expression. This expression will select all title elements under book elements that are under bookstore elements. So In bookstore there are book elements, and in book elements there are title elements. So it will select all the title elements that have book will have a price element with a value that is higher than 30. So it will select all the titles in book element where the price of book is greater than 30. So this is the path expression for selecting data. Same way this flower expression will select exactly same as this path expression. Okay, see here, for this for selects each book element into variable x. Okay, where condition specifies the condition that under book element price element should have value that is greater than 30. Okay, under book element the price element should have value greater than 30, and then this return specifies what to return. Here book's title element are written, so result will be like this. Here only one condition is satisfied. Okay, one element, for one element the condition is satisfied. As you can see here, price is 30 in the first book. In second book price is 29.99, and in last it is 39. So, and in last book only the price is greater than 30, so only this title element is retrieved. Say this. Okay, now with flower expressions you can also sort the result like this by using order by clause. Here for clause, this for clause selects all book elements under the bookstore element into a variable called this x. The where clause selects only book elements with a price element with a value greater than 30. So it will select only those books which have price element greater than 30. And order by clause defines the sorting order. Okay, here sorting is based on title elements. So if there are more than one title element that are written, then all the title elements will be sorted alphabetically in alphabetical order. Now this result return clause specifies what should be written. Okay, so the result for this flower expression is same as this. Okay, here for only one book the condition is satisfied, so it will return only one book. If there are more than one title written, then the result will be sorted according to title. So that's it for now. Thank you.